When your life is over, what will people remember most, your possessions or your faith? Imagine this. The day comes when your name is spoken for the very last time. Your house still stands. Your car is parked outside. Your bank account belongs to someone else. Your clothes hang in the closet. Your phone stops ringing, but you are gone. Now ask yourself this question. What will people remember most, you owned, or what you believed? Many people spend their entire lives chasing things they cannot keep. Bigger houses, newer cars, more money, more recognition. They believe success is measured by what they can accumulate, but history teaches a different lesson. Very few people remember how expensive someone's watch was. Few remember the brand of their shoes or the size of their television. What people never forget is how someone lived. Did they stand for truth when it was unpopular? Did they forgive when it was difficult? Did they help the weak without expecting anything in return? Did they trust God even when life made no sense? Faith leaves footprints that possessions never can. The greatest inheritance you can leave your children is not a large bank account. It is a life that showed them what it means to love God, to walk with integrity, and to remain faithful in every season. Money can build a beautiful house, but only faith can build a peaceful home. Possessions may impress people for a moment, but faith can inspire generations. One day, everything you own will belong to someone else. But your influence, your character, your prayers, and your example can continue long after you are gone. Think about the men and women whose lives still inspire the world today. Most are remembered not because of what they possessed, but because of the courage of their faith and the impact they made on others. So don't spend your whole life polishing what time will eventually destroy. Invest in what eternity values. Love deeply, serve faithfully, walk humbly with God, because when your final chapter is written, the question will not be, how much did you own? The question will be, how did you live? And perhaps the greatest legacy anyone can leave is this. They may forget what you had, but they will never forget the faith you lived. So, let me leave you with this question. If your life ended today, would people remember your possessions, or would they remember your faith? There is a cemetery filled with people who once believed they had more time. They had dreams, possessions, titles, and plans. Yet today, none of those things speak for them. What still echoes is the kind of life they lived. Did they love God? Did they show compassion? Did they leave behind hope instead of regret? In the end, your wealth may be divided, your possessions may be forgotten, but a life of genuine faith can continue to change hearts long after your voice has gone silent.